Morning class 11. Last day I have discussed about the theory portion of bank reconciliation statement. There I have discussed there were only 4 situations from which you have to make bank reconciliation statement. 1. Bank balance as per cash book debit favorable. Bank balance as per cash book credit unfavorable. Bank balance as per passbook credit favorable. Bank balance as per passbook debit unfavorable. This is the question based on favorable bank balance as per cash book. See the question. Cash book shows a balance of rupees 12,500. On comparing the cash book with the passbook, following description were noted. Number 1. Check issued but not yet presented for payment 6,000. Number 2. Check deposited in the bank but not collected 9,000. Number 3. Bank paid insurance premium 5,000. Number 4. Bank charges 300. Number 5. Directly deposited by a customer 8,000. Number 6. Interest on investment collected by bank 2,000. Number 7. Cash discount allowed rupees 200 was recorded on debit side of the bank column. Now see the solution. In the book of, you have to put the name, bank reconciliation statement. This is the add column and this is the less column. Now bank balance as per the cash book, it's a debit favorable balance, so you have to put in the add column 12,500. Now number 1, check issued but not yet presented for payment. When check is issuing, see bank balance as per cash book debit balance, so you have to keep your total concentration on passbook. If passbook increases, you have to add it, and if passbook is decreasing, you have to deduct. Check issued but not yet presented for payment. Obviously when check is issuing but it is not presented in the bank, for check is issuing but it is not presented in bank, so it means bank is increases, so you have to put it in add column. Now check deposited into bank but not collected, that is 9,000. Actually bank haven't collect the check, but check deposit entry is recorded in the cash book, so bank is decreases, so it's a less. Now bank paid insurance premium. Obviously when bank is paying any kind of expense, the amount of bank is reducing, it means passbook is reduces, it's a less 5,000. Bank charges 300. Bank is doing number of services for the customer, so bank will charge, it means the bank account is reduced by 300. Number 5, bank directly deposited by the customer. Bank amount directly deposited by customer means bank is increases by 8,000. When bank provide us interest on our investment, it means bank is increased, it's added with the bank balance as well the cash book. So the difference is in next is cash discount debited to bank column, it's a less. Now balance as per passbook 14,000, it's a balancing figure. How is the balancing figure? The total of the debit side is 28,500 and the total of the credit side is less than 14,000. So balance as per the passbook 14,000. Now it's a total 28,500, 28,500. Now see the total solution. I'm going to solve another problem sums. Now see this question. On 1st January 2019, Naresh had an overdraft of rupees 40,000 as shown by his cash book in the bank column. Means 40,000 by his cash book in overdraft. As I discussed with, there is 4 types of BRS. This one is overdraft balance BRS. Check amounting rupees 10,000 had been deposited by him but were not collected by the bank by 1st January 2019. He issued check of rupees 7,000 which were not presented to the bank for payment up to that date. There was also a debit in his passbook of rupees 600 for interest and rupees 500 for bank charge. Prepare bank reconciliation statement. See the question properly. Now I am going to solve the question. See the format. Bank reconciliation statement as on January 1, 2019. Serial number particular. This is a statement type of sum, so there is no need of any ledger folio and journal folio, any of this. Serial number particular, plus or add items, minus and less item. As per the question, Naresh had overdraft of rupees 40,000 as by his cash book. Now, number overdraft balance as per cash book of rupees 40,000. So you have to show it is a overdraft balance, so you have to show in the negative side. Check deposited but not cleared. When check is deposited but it's a not clear, obviously it's a overdraft, so there is a negative effect. This is a 10,000. Check issued but not presented for payment. Here passbook is not presented in the passbook. There's not presented for the payment, so passbook is in the plus situation, so it's had to be added with the overdraft balance as per cash book. Now bank charge interest. Obviously when bank is charging interest for its various services, so it's deducted from the balances of bank charge from your accounts. So your account is deducted, your account is in minus situation, less situation, so 600 is less, sorry 500 is less, and bank charges interest is also less. Bank charge and bank charge interest both are in the same, both have a same feature. Next, overdraft as per the passbook, it's a balancing figure. You can say balancing figure means negative side is more than your positive side. Now the total is 5,51,100. See the solution properly. And I hope you people have understand the solution. In next class I will continue with the next topic. Till then, keep practicing, stay healthy. Thank you.